What be that? They don't position the rods then for the foundation, but they won't first do the quarry first. Then the baskets they now. See rods. The basket then. Like this is look at. They don't put rods for all the baskets, all the pillars. All rounds.